In today's video on Obvious Wallet, I'm going to show you how to transfer tokens. In the previous videos, I showed you how to create a wallet, an Obvious Wallet, which was so simple, and also showed you how to restore an Obvious Wallet in case you lost your wallet. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send tokens to another wallet. I'm going to send tokens from one of my wallets to another of my wallets just inside here. So you click on this, After that, you choose send tokens. So you click on send tokens. So which wallet am I going to send tokens from? So I'm going to choose the Jarau Moses wallet because obviously you can see it has money and the other wallet is empty. So I'm going to send tokens from the Jarau Obvious wallet to wallet to Obvious wallet. So you click on the Jarau wallet. So I'm going to send to, you can search here an address, any address you need. But in my case, I'm not going to search for an address. I'm going to send to my other wallet, which is this, which is wallet 2. You can see a wallet 2, it is 0. I'm going to send a small number of so what token am I going to send? You can search for the tokens, or I'm going to send Binance Smart Chain. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to send just a small amount of this. I'm going to send BNB. So I click on BNB. So I'm sending, as you can remember, I'm sending from the Obvious wallet, Jarau's Obvious wallet to wallet 2. All these are my wallets in this same Obvious wallet. So then I'm going to click the amount. So here you put in the amount. This it's BCH. The amount 0.000 maybe 1. Yeah, that's roughly. Okay, maybe let me say 0.1. Yeah, let me send that. So you put in, so plus the fees. So and then you review. You can click on review down here. You can review this. You can also choose to either send maximum, minimum. You can either 25%, 50%, 75% maximum. But me, I chose a figure, so I'm going to review. So tap to proceed. So it is sending, it is signing a transaction, it's pending. So it's saying estimated time is 30 seconds. I'll get back after 30 seconds. Sign transaction. So to send a transaction, you have to click on that. So I'm going to authenticate it. So I've already signed the transaction. So it's pending. Activity completed soon. So it's going to be so in progress. Notify me once complete. So that's how you send crypto on Obvious Wallet from one wallet to another wallet. So you can see it is showing success. So it is success. So we have sent BNB from one wallet to another. So we can check our other wallet, which was this. It's here. You remember this wallet it had 0 BNB when you started this. It now has 0.06. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you send tokens from one wallet to another. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So there's also notification on top here. You can see you have completed one task. You have sent that to that. So thank you.